Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Happy Friday. It is a windy day. The water's white with spray. And pretty soon, if this keeps up, the world will blow away. Not really, but that's how windy it was today, and it was rainy. Okay, we're going to begin today using all our superpowers, your pointer power, your picture power, snap word power, and letter power. Let's do it. April 3rd, 2020. Dear friends, today is a rainy Friday. Do you have your raincoat, boots, and umbrella? Love, Mrs. Jones. I've got a question mark here, so I'm looking for an answer. Do you have your raincoat, boots, and umbrella? My answer is yes. Y-E-S. Yes, I do. And if you're playing outdoors today, I hope you do as well. All right, so today I wanted to take a closer look with our 10 frames. Before we do that, let's look at our temperature for today. The temperature today is 42 degrees. So if I come over, I see 34, 34, 38, 37, and 42. Let's erase our board. And we'll put our numbers in order for temperature, and then we're going to go right into 10 frames today. Here we've got 34, 34, 38, 37, and 42. And what am I measuring with? Degrees. That's why it's got the little circle. 34 is definitely the smallest. Let's continue from there. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Our numbers are very close together for the temperature for this week. All right, I'm going to move these away, and we're going to talk about 10 frames. We talked a little bit about them when we did our number of the day, and today I want us to think about them a little bit more. So I'm going to put a number line up. I'm also going to put up my 10 frames. For the purpose of today, we're going to count the numbers, and then we're going to focus on just the tricky teens. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Today our focus is going to be in this area here. So that's what I want us thinking about. From the 10 to the 19. I'm going to start by adding some counters into my 10 frame today. So I'm going to go ahead. Doesn't really matter what color my counters are. I just want to add them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's replace that one. That one does not want to stay. 8. 9, 10. So we know this is a 10 frame. We don't have to count it again. Just like when I say, show me 10 fingers, you know there are 10 there. And no matter where they are, we know we've always got 10. Our 10 frame always has 10. So I would say this 10 frame is full. What number does it represent? It represents the number 10. How many 10 frames do we have? We have one 10 frame. And how many numbers are outside of our 10 frame? Do we have any extras? No, we have 0 extras outside. we have a full 10 frame and no extras outside, and it represents the number 10. 10. What happens, though, when I add another? There's no room for it. I'm going to have to put it down here. Now what number do I have? Well, I know how many are here. We know it's always going to be 10 when it's full. I have 10 plus one more. 10, 11. How am I going to show that? Well, I still have one group of 10, one 10 frame. How many don't fit in my 10 frame? One doesn't fit. That's why my number 11 looks like that. I have one full 10 and one left over, 11. What happens if I add another? There's no room for it. I'm going to have to add it down below. How many are in my 10 frame? 10. I have one group of 10. How many didn't fit? 2. 10, 11, 12. One group of 10 and 2 that don't fit. Are you starting to see a pattern? Math is all about patterns. Let's put another one up. What do you think? I know there are 10, and I've got one group of 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. How many groups of 10? 1. How many didn't fit? 3. So this first one is staying the same in the Tricky Teens because it represents that one group of 10. This number changes because that is the one that's left over. Those are the ones that didn't fit as we added on. 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, I'll bet you already know what's going to happen when I add one more counter. Let's find out. Are you predicting? I know you see the pattern. I have one group of 10. One group. And how many didn't fit? Those are the 4 ones that are left over. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Your challenge today is to continue this at home. And then I want you to think about what happens when you have another group of 10. That's the challenge for today. And that's what I want you exploring and thinking about on this fantastic Friday. And when you're done with that, I want you to put your raincoat on and your rain boots on and get your umbrella and head outside to jump in some puddles. And guess what? Bernard and I are going to do the same. Bernard loves to jump in puddles. All right. Tomorrow is Saturday. The next day is Sunday. They are both no school days, so I'll see you back on Monday for weekend news. And until then, keep a picture in your pocket and a poem in your head, and I will do the same. Goodbye for now.